Hello, good evening. Today, my daughter's Nabi Joy try to make a French bread. Hindi yung tinapay bread. She want to try if she know how to braid my hair in French way. I let you see later what is the result of hair French bread. She told me that she know how to French braid and I'm doubted since she just saw it in the YouTube
TikTok?
and tok tok.
Ba't na yung buhok ko eh?
See, she had no patience. As you see my hair, she said it's a very gubot. You know what is gubot?
Unready. Okay.
Messy, very messy hair. Just watch my video, not my face. Oh my God. Oh. Here she goes again for the 100 times. Second times.
Second pagali.
For the second times of trying. Ano na naman kaya yung irarason niya ngayon? Kanina dahil daw yung buhok ko daw ay messy. Ngayon iwan ko lang. Ano na naman yung i-reason out niya. Just see what's the result. Look at here, is very serious. She's very serious in make. Oh my God, it's hurts in my head. What did you do to my hair? Did you eat my hair? Did you not take your? Let me hold if you can't hold. Okay, I hold this. I just wanna hold you close. Just like that and like that. Okay. Our video is gonna end soon, but your French breed doesn't start it
Part 2
yet.
na, part 2.
Watch for the update, guys, in the part 2. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch and subscribe my channels in the